Hello everyone and welcome to an Aegis dApp tutorial. In this video you will learn how to revoke an allowance using Aegis dApp. Allowances are used by networks such as Ethereum, Polygon and Binance Smart Chain to perform some operations like swaps. Revoking allowances reduces the risk that an exploited protocol could affect your funds. So it's a good idea to review your allowances periodically and revoke any unused and unlimited allowances. Let's learn how you can manage allowances using Aegis dApp. First, click on Wallet Allowances, then select the wallet that you want to manage. Here you will see a list of all your allowances, including the assets, the balances, spenders, and approved amounts. To revoke an allowance, you will need to connect your wallet. Make sure you have the right wallet and network selected. Click Connect Wallet. Select the right wallet and click Next. The next step is to click Revoke and sign the transaction in your wallet. If you did everything right, the revoked allowance will be removed from the list.